Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. And so I'm sneaking up on Dave today to find out what he's doing on this Grand Design Solitude. It's in the shop. Hey Dave.
Hey.
What's going on today? What are you working on?
Just doing a slide out service, preventive maintenance.
Okay.
And we're doing a roof reseal. We're going to do an exterior eval just to make the customer aware of maybe some things he's unaware of. And then there was a gimp pulling out of the rail. We fixed that yesterday, right in the middle of our slide out service. And yeah, have
very
a great
cool
day, enjoying our customers, and we hope to see you here.
Yeah, awesome. So if you haven't already checked out our Facebook group, it's Grand Design RV Owners in the RV Shop with Dustin and the guys. And so like Dave was saying, this customer's here, he's doing a roof reseal. We do have some videos and tons of pictures and posts of products that we're using and how to do those little tutorials and stuff. The guy's actually working on them. So check that out if that'll help you. There's a lot of products, and there's a lot of, if you go into our photo albums, you'll see, I think we have about 350 photo albums in the, Grand Design RV and the Repair Shop with Dustin group. So you can check out all those albums of tools, products, and things that we're using as well. If you want to make sure to subscribe to us, if your unit's in the shop, sometimes I'm a little bit behind on posting these videos, but whether you see them currently or you see them after the fact, you can get a kind of a glimpse of what the guys were doing and where they were at and a little status. So if it's still going to be here for a while, it kind of gives you a little quick mini update of what's going on. So anyways, thanks so much and stay tuned. Have a great day.